So today, we're going to take a look at the all-new Hiboy MAX Pro electric scooter, which is Hiboy's high-performance scooter with a 46-mile range. So in this video, I'm going to go over the assembly process and go in-depth on the features, specs, and overview of the app. So let's get to it. So the MAX Pro comes in your standard scooter shipping box, but it is pretty heavy, so make sure to be careful when moving, and if possible, have someone help you move it. After opening, the scooter was assembled by 85%. All you have to do is remove all the packaging foam and zip ties, and then attach the handlebars with 8 hex screws. Included in the box were the necessary tools and 2 additional inner tubes. The whole process only took about 10 or 15 minutes, and even if you aren't very mechanically inclined, you should have no problem putting the scooter together yourself. And when I went through the scooter, all the bolts were tight, all the welds were nice, the brakes felt good, and it powered up no problem. And there is an optional seat that's super easy to install. All you have to do is insert the seat post into the hidden hole in the deck, fold the seat post, tighten the hex bolt, and voila, now you have a seat to sit on. So the MAX Pro is powered by a 500 watt brushless rear hub motor. It has 3 speed settings: Eco, which has a top speed of 11 miles an hour, Drive, which has a top speed of 16 miles per hour, and Sport, which has a top speed of 22 miles per hour. The battery is a 48 volt, 15 amp lithium ion battery that's stored in the deck. It has a claimed range up to 46.6 miles on a single charge. And since it is such a big battery, the estimated charging time from empty is 8 to 9 hours. The MAX Pro comes with 2 brake levers that activates both the rear and front brakes separately. One really cool feature is that the brakes use regenerative energy to charge the battery when activated. The tires are 11-inch pneumatic tires that are air-filled to help improve ride quality by absorbing shocks and vibrations. Also to help out with ride comfort are hidden dual rear suspension shock absorbers and a fork with 30 millimeters of travel. And for safety and increased visibility, there's a headlight, tail light, and lights on side of the deck and reflectors. The dashboard has a very simple and clean display design that shows your speed, speed mode, and battery level. There's only one button to control everything, but it's easy and intuitive. Hold down the button for a couple seconds to turn the scooter on. Click the button once to turn on the lights, click it twice to change the speed mode, and click 3 times to activate the cruise control. There is a Hiboy app you can use as well, but I'll go over that a little later in the video. First, we're going to do an overview of some of the basic specifications and measurements of the MAX Pro. The length is 47.25 inches. The handlebar height from the ground is 51 inches. The handlebar height from the deck is 42 inches. The handlebar width is 21 inches. The deck length is 25 inches. The deck width is 8 inches. The deck height from the ground is 8 inches. The ground clearance is 5 inches. And the weight is 51.6 pounds. And folding the scooter up is pretty easy. All you have to do is unhook the handlebar post, fold, and insert into the metal hook on the rear fender. The last thing we're going to go over is the app, which is recommended, but it's not required, and it can be downloaded either from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It's a fairly simple app, but works really well. You connect your scooter via Bluetooth, and you can control the lights, speed mode, cruise control, customize your speed settings, customize your cruise control settings, customize your acceleration, and even lock the scooter, which basically engages the motor so the scooter can't be pushed away. It's a straightforward app that's extremely easy to use, and most people figure out in less than 5 minutes. So there's the rundown on the Hiboy MAX Pro electric scooter. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.